guys, welcome to the vlog. I know it's been a minute, but we're back and I'm going on my first trip of 2025. I'm going on an MSC cruise and I'm going on the MSC World America, which is their brand new ship that's sailing out of Miami. It's just a 3-night cruise, so it'll just be like a short little trip, but I think it's gonna be super fun. I'm going with Caroline. I haven't seen her since January, so I'm super excited to hang out with her and catch up. I'm currently in the process of packing and I always procrastinate and pack last minute, so let me show you guys the chaos that's going on. This is what we're working with right now. It looked a lot nicer earlier because I filmed a cute little video, but now I'm just trying to organize everything. And I think that I left my packing cubes in my other suitcase at my mom's house, so I'm gonna have to pack all my stuff without them. But I think it'll be okay. Luckily, it's just a short trip, so next time I see you, we'll be in Miami. The elevator button.
Ready to select the night?
Oh my gosh. So fancy. Okay, we made it to our room. Yeah. We're gonna do a little room reveal. Here you go. Alright, this is the room. We have a... Oh, are you okay? Got a little couch. And we have a balcony. Ah. Yeah. I have a big mirror. Alright, we've got a little TV. And then I'll show you guys the bathroom. She's very cute. Okay, we spent the past couple hours just walking around the ship exploring and taking a couple pictures. So now we're gonna get ready for dinner, and there's also this naming ceremony happening tonight, and the attire is formal cocktail wear. Since we're the first ones to be on the ship, they're having a fancy ceremony. We also finally just got our luggage, so I think I'm just gonna unpack a couple of my dresses and hang them up in the closet. Okay, we're in the process of getting ready, and Caroline has assigned me to blow dry her hair. Outfits for our formal night and naming ceremony. Okay, we're at the naming ceremony. The lighting is so bad, sorry, but look who we're sitting next to. Hi. So excited.
How is everybody?
Thank you so much for coming out tonight. Wow, this is a really full house.
Big house.
Ooh, okay.
We are so happy to be here to welcome this stunning, elegant new addition to MSC Cruises' fleet. MSC World America.
That's right, but she's not just full of European style. There are so many things that are exciting, desirable, and familiar to Americans too.
Now, Drew, tell me, how does it feel to be the godmother of this magnificent ship? I need to know.
It is a true honor. Oh, yes, it is a true honor. It's a true honor. Orlando and I both, you know, have felt so lucky to be brought into not just this party, but this family. It is a true honor to be working with people of such global integrity, philanthropy, family, and honor, and wanting to take care of people and have them see the world. It is, I'm very, very grateful.
3, 2, 1, let's holiday!
We're gonna try and take some pictures, but we don't know where to take them. It's very crowded and chaotic.
There's like a million people here, like a million.
Finally getting some food.
Photos tagged on MSC Cruises.us. Official. I want to share your experience.
Okay, we went to the naming ceremony. It was super fun.
Yeah, we got to see Drew Barrymore.
Drew Barrymore and Orlando Bloom. Put some respect on his name. Like, why does nobody know who he is?
Look,
Anyway.
there's SpongeBob.
And then we tried to take some pictures. I don't know if they were that cute. And then we ate food at the pizza and burger place. It was really good. And then we came back to the room, had to change into our pajamas immediately. So we're just gonna hang out in the room. Caroline put SpongeBob on the TV. And tomorrow it's gonna be super fun because we get to go to Ocean Cay and our excursion is paddleboarding. So see you tomorrow. Good morning. The weather looks really nice. Got some nice blue skies and some blue water. Ooh. So we're gonna get changed and ready for the day. Then we're gonna get breakfast and head off of the ship. Alright, here's our breakfast at the buffet. Got scrambled eggs, bacon, hash brown, sausage, and a chocolate croissant. That's what Caroline got.
I got some grapes, some egg buffet platter thing, and a hash brown.
Okay, I'm in the bathroom. I just have to show you guys how cool all their doors are. It's just a sensor. We just got off the ship. It's really windy. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna blow away. Our paddleboarding excursion is on standby because of the weather. I think just because it's so windy right now. But we're still just gonna look around and explore the island because it looks really pretty. We found these really cute, colorful houses, so taking some pictures. Look how cute Caroline looks. Look how blue the water is. It's like a little lagoon. Okay, I already did an ocean dunk, but I'm gonna do it again because the water feels really nice. 3, 2, 1. Okay. We got back on the ship and took a shower, got dressed. We're heading to our lunch reservation. We're heading to our lunch reservation at Butcher's Cut, which is the specialty dining. These are the fits. Okay, we're heading to the harbor. That's like up top on the ship, and that's where the cliffhanger and the giant slide is. So we're gonna do those. I'm a little nervous. Got our gelato. I got coconut and
chocolate.
Okay, here's our dinner. We got back off the ship and we're gonna try and take sunset pictures. I'm wearing my all-white outfit. Caroline is wearing her pretty Kulani Kini sunset dress. Yes. Okay, sunset was not giving what it needed to give. Just really cloudy. Okay, we're on our way to the white party. It's so windy, I'm freezing, and it feels like it's kind of misting.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Hopefully it feels better on the beach. We're back in our room. We just got back from the white party. It was fun for a little bit, and then we got tired. Shower, gonna go to bed. Tomorrow is our last full day and we're still gonna be at Ocean Cay. We're supposed to be doing a kayaking excursion, so hopefully it doesn't get canceled and we can actually do it tomorrow. Okay, today is day 3. We just got off the ship and we're gonna go back to Ocean Cay and just, I don't know, what are we doing? Just hanging out.
Just hanging out. I'm gonna go swimming. Oh. Do you want to go on first?
Alright, we are on the kayak. Look at Caroline. I'm making Caroline do all the work. It's a little choppy. We have to cross over this buoy thing. I'm kind of scared. The water is so clear and there's more of those little jellyfish. Okay, we finished kayaking. We only kayaked for like 20 minutes. But it was fun. It was just hard too coming back because the current was like working against us. But got some cute videos and stuff, so now we're just gonna get a drink and hang out by the beach. Okay, I just did a little swimsuit change wearing Kulani Kinis, and we're gonna go do an ocean dunk. There's a shark in the water. A shark! We were swimming in the ocean, taking some pictures, and we have like 5 minutes to get back on the ship. But it was just so pretty. I want to stay here forever.
Agreed.
We're all dressed up. We're gonna take some sunset pictures. My camera ran out of storage, so I have to use my phone now to vlog. We're gonna try and go to the back of the ship because we found a good spot earlier. Okay, this is what the sunset is looking like. Take a peek at the bread. Ooh, that looks good. Cheers! I got a Caesar salad. Caroline got French onion soup and what's that?
It's like an antipasto platter.
I got the Atlantic salmon, and Caroline got. What did Caroline get?
Egg zucchini rollatini.
Alright, for dessert I got tiramisu because you can never go wrong with the tiramisu. And Caroline got the limoncello cake. Dinner kind of took a long time, and then we tried to go to the comedy club, but we just weren't really feeling it, so we're just gonna head back to the room because we have a lot of editing to do. We've got to pack. We have to be off the ship tomorrow by 9 a.m. So yeah, that's it.